Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Purposeful Wreath knot. Let's get started. As usual, left side's at the belt line. Kind of get them over, put any fold in that you want, bring it over to the center. I just folded it in half, and we'll bring that across here like that. Fold one side in half, come around, and then on the other side, unfold it and bring it down like so. So one's folded in half, one's left regular. Bring it down like this, across, and then I'm going to fold up like this. So we have this, and then I'm going to come looping right around back like that, and then bring it over like so. I learned that technique from Boris Mocha. Now I'm going to do the wreath. Come underneath that point. Do another wreath across. But I don't want to lose that point. There we go, there's a point. So then I'm just going to wrap this underneath here, like so. You put the collar down, and then there you have it. On your time, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.